Hey, good Saturday afternoon and welcome back to the office here at New Traditions Dulcimers, ukuleles, and woodcrafts and all sorts of things. My name is Dan Daniels and this is brand new. I just got this guy strung up literally about a half an hour ago. This is number 869. Number 869, New Traditions Teardrop. Alaska Sitka Spruce, really tight grain top. Alaska Sitka Spruce top, maple fingerboard, Wenge fingerboard overlay. I put in some abalone position dots. Since this wood, I thought this was more of an island theme here, so this wood is koa, and this wood was brought to me from some wonderful customers, the Lundquist family, from one of their many jaunts over to Hawaii. They brought me some wood back, and this is book matched koa, 3-piece tuning head, all 3 pieces koa, Grover Sta Tite tuners. Beautiful, beautiful instrument. Very, very pleased. Number 869, book matched koa back and sides. Alaska Sitka Spruce top, really straight grain, tight grain soundboard, and it just sounds wonderfully. I'm going to hold it up like this so you can see it, and maybe I can get some more volume onto the old iPhone here, but this is the way it sounds. Number 869. Again, this is 25-inch VSL from saddle to nut. Number 869. This will be for sale on our website real soon. Book matched koa. And this koa I take from a big chunk of lumber. It's I think it's 3 by 6 by 48 inches that they brought me back from Hawaii. And then I mill it down here in my shop and come up with this beautiful grain. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous dulcimer. Anyway, number 869, New Traditions Teardrop. This is brand new. This is, I have an hourglass from the same woods that should have been done at the same time, but things happen in life, so it didn't quite make it, but it should be done in a couple of days. There you go, number 869. New traditions. Teardrop. Lord bless you guys.